Christmas has a way of slowing everything down, at least on the surface. But underneath, many men are carrying worries they rarely talk about. Let's get into it. Money is often the first thing on their minds. The cost of gifts, travel, food, and expectations can feel heavy, especially when they believe it is their job to make everything work. Sometimes what eases that weight is honesty, simpler plans, and remembering that your presence matters more than price. Gift giving can feel less joyful than it looks. There is the quiet hope of getting it right, of being thoughtful enough, of not disappointing the people they love. Clear communication, shared ideas, and gratitude for effort can turn that stress into something lighter. Family gatherings bring their own emotions. Old memories, unresolved tensions, and complicated relationships often return at the same table. Allowing boundaries, choosing peace over perfection, and keeping things simple can help create space to breathe. Time feels different at Christmas. Work still asks for attention, plans keep stacking up, and rest often comes last. Sharing the load, saying no when needed, and protecting a little quiet time can bring balance back. Emotionally, many men feel expected to stay steady, to be calm, strong, and supportive even when the year has been difficult or lonely. Being invited to speak honestly and knowing their feelings are welcome can be a powerful relief. There is also reflection. Looking at where life is, what has changed, and what has not. Comparisons can creep in, but so can perspective if there is room for kindness toward oneself. So as the season unfolds, many men are not chasing perfection. They are simply trying to hold things together. What helps most is understanding, shared responsibility, gentle reassurance, and the reminder that they do not have to carry everything alone. From everyone here at Dude Brain Food, we wish you a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.